Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Exfoliating your body accelerates a natural process. It eliminates dead skin cells, makeup, oils, and free radicals, all of which can cause serious damage to our skin. When we are young, our skin does an amazing job of getting rid of these layers, but as the years go by and we age, this self-exfoliation decreases. Our pores get clogged and the upper layers of our skin gets dull and thick, creating irregularities in our skin tone. See some reasons to exfoliate your skin. Improves skin texture, making it softer, regular, and toned. Helps with blood circulation. Unclogs pores and removes dead skin cells. Lessens and prevents wrinkles and expression lines. Avoids oiliness and prevents acne and blackheads. Eliminates spots and acne scars. Now you know why it is good to exfoliate. See a recipe for a natural pumpkin facial scrub. Write down the ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon of mashed pumpkin, 1 cup of brown or demerara sugar, the thinner the better, 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E. If your skin is oily, add 1/2 cup of jojoba oil. If you have dry or normal skin, add 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Directions: add all ingredients to a bowl and mix well. Once it is smooth, wash your face and apply the mixture with the tip of your fingers. Gently massage the scrub on your face and neck, avoiding your eyes. After the massage, wash your face with warm water. Remember that the gentler you massage, the better. Do it and share your experiences with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.